Hey everyone, today we're going to do a very quick, easy, simple makeup look. So for this tutorial, all you're going to need is a stick blusher and a stick foundation and a mascara. So first we're just going to prep the skin. So I'm applying a serum primer all over my face. So next we're going to take a stick foundation. Now apply this in the same pattern that I am. So we're going to do 3 strokes on the forehead. We're going to do 2 on the cheek. Now take a stick blusher and I want you to apply right on the outside corners and just a touch in the center. And then right here, and the same on the other side. Also take a little bit just on the outside corners of the crease of your eye. Now take a brush and we're going to blend this in. Start on one side and work your way out. So I'm going to start with the foundation side. I haven't touched the nose yet. And just buff this in and then work over to the blusher and then to the second part of the blusher. It just gives this really easy, simple, rosy glow. Now I'm going to go in right here, in the eyebrow. Same thing on the other side. We're going to start with the blusher this time and work our way in. And again, working our way down. It just gives a really pretty flush to your foundation. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the stick just on the sides of my nose and the blusher right down the center. And we're going to blend it in. Blend the whole thing in. If you feel like you need a little more, add a touch of blusher just on those bits, but you could do this easy every day for that really quick flushed look to the skin in a couple of minutes. Now to finish this look off, I'm just going to take a light dusting of powder just down the T-zone, just to knock out that shine. So you've got it all around the outside, but not where we don't want it. Now take a little bit of the blusher, touch to the lips, just to complete the look. And then all you need is a smidgen of mascara. And that's it, you need nothing more. To me, this is what makeup is about making the skin look beautiful and perfected. And by combining the blusher and the stick foundation, you just get more of a rosy look to the skin, which is really pretty and fresh and beautiful. Touch of mascara, touch of color on the lips, finish it off with a lip gloss. You don't need anything else. You can get out of the door looking flawless in a couple of minutes. This is why I love makeup. It's simple, it's quick, and it's perfect. Thanks for watching. See you all soon. Bye-bye.